Hello guys, review Xiaomi Redmi A5, this version 4GB memory and 128GB storage. In completation we have only cable for cable Type-C cable, and that's all. Device in the black color, double camera on the back side, on the front side 6.88-inch display, power button, wall buttons on this side, slot for SIM cards and micro SD card on the left side, and Type-C and headphones jack downside. Turn on device, we have HD resolution display, 120 Hz, and Android 15, this clear Android. Okay, open Geekbench 6, talk about system information. We have CPU Unisoc T7250 and GPU Mali G57. Single core and multi-core score results, GPU test results, okay, and look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark results, close this. And start PUBG Mobile, look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load, and load on the medium graphic level. Okay, we can play this game on the medium or low graphic level. Okay, close this. Now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.